A loud dryer can be caused by an imbalanced drum, a damaged belt, or a malfunctioning motor. To fix these issues, start by ensuring the dryer is properly balanced. Place a level on the dryer to confirm it's resting on a flat surface, and adjust the legs if necessary. Once the dryer is level, gently rock it to ensure stability. A stable dryer should not rock. Next, evenly distribute the clothes in the drum and restart the dryer on a low setting. If the loud noise persists, it may be necessary to replace the belt or motor. To replace the belt, unplug the dryer, remove the top panel, disconnect the door switch, and take off the front panel. Then, remove the old belt from the pulley and slide in the replacement part. Reattach the front panel, door switch, and top panel, and restore power to the dryer. If the motor needs to be replaced, unplug the dryer, remove the front or back panels depending on the model, and take out the drive belt and drum to access the motor. Align the new motor and secure it with mounting screws. Then reinstall the drum and reconnect the drive belt. Finally, reattach the front or back panels and restore power to the dryer. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's recommended to contact a technician for further assistance.